In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Tactiq on Google Meet. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, you will have to get this Tactiq basically extension from Chrome, and you can get this on the Chrome Web Store. Just search for Tactiq, and you can add it, sign in over here, and then you'll be able to start using it. So all you'll need is you just have to have this extension, and then you can go ahead and go to Google Meet, so meet.google.com, and then you can just create a new meeting, schedule it, or basically create it for later. So whenever you're gonna get into a meeting, which I'm going to demonstrate right now, so I'm going to join a meeting over here, and you'll be able to see, there we go, over here on the right there's now a special panel, and this is Tactics panel. Okay, here the first thing that's very important is it says transcribing and the language is next there, so it says English. If you want to transcribe any other language, basically just change the language over here, and then it's going to start transcribing that language. But for me, it's going to be English right now. Down here at the bottom, you have two different things, transcript and notes. You can add these notes to your transcript whenever you want, but of course the transcript is going to be auto-generated whenever you start speaking and whenever your collaborators, your participants inside your Google Meet start speaking as well. So let me actually demonstrate this really quickly. As you can see, I'm going to turn on my microphone right now. I'm going to allow it. There we go. So as you can see, as soon as I started speaking and Google Meet started picking up my voice and my microphone, over here on the right, a transcript is getting generated. And if I were to pause for a second over here like this, okay, as you can see, it basically made a pause. So this is actually very convenient, so you can see kind of the structure, it makes paragraphs, etc. And if somebody else started speaking right now inside this Google Meet, it would say like their name at the top, and then it would say basically what they said. So for this instance, I'm just going to pause right now, so it's not going to listen to me anymore. There we go. As you can see, it's not listening anymore. The transcript is done for the time being. Again, you can take notes if you want, but then you can just share these transcripts, highlights, chats, and more. You can view it and open the transcript directly inside their website, which is app.tactic.io. And of course, your meeting is going to get minimized over here. Of course, it's going to take some time for this to essentially just update and process, but you're going to be able to see your entire transcripts in here. And then in here, what you can also do is take a screenshot of the current page if you'd like that, or pause transcription for everyone. Okay, so nobody who's speaking is going to be logged in here. You can pause it, but then again, you can just basically click again to resume over here, and these are all the basic functions. Okay, so these things down here, you don't have to worry about this. This is basically connected with your Google Meet. Up top, you can see a few things. You can see the view transcript list over here. It's going to take you to the app.tactic.com again. Here, you can also delete the conversation. You can see the privacy info, you can manage the Tactiq settings if you want that, and you can also get help or minimize this widget over here to the right, as you can see. So this is pretty much it. This is how this works. This is how to actually use Tactiq in Google Meet. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.